Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to refund games on Steam. So the first step is to simply go to this link here, which is help.steampower.com, and then simply log in with your Steam. So you're gonna have to simply click on this, or you can basically type in the search bar, and basically after you do that, what you're gonna have to do is simply click on purchase here. So you're gonna see here, as you can see on this account, I didn't make any purchase, but you're gonna have to simply click on this, and then basically what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on the game that you want to refund. So you're gonna see here a list of the games that you just bought, and basically what you're gonna have to do after you click on that, you're gonna have to simply select one of these problems. So you can simply select I purchased this by accident, and basically after that you're gonna have to simply click on I like to request a refund, and basically you're gonna have to simply fill this form, and basically the money that you just paid, so let's say $21, will be added to your Steam wallet, and basically that's how you can request a refund on Steam. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.